Hello students, I am Karishma from Solvio and today I am going to discuss the topic of double integrals as volume. So students, here I am going to discuss that how we will use double integrals in order to find the volume. So you are probably familiar with one variable calculus, the integral a to b fx dx for positive fx can be interpreted as the area under the curve fx over the interval a comma b. So here you can see the graph that this is our function fx and this is the interval from a to b on x-axis. So the integral is the area between the curve fx and the x-axis, right? So now we will see that how we will use double integral in order to find the volume. So students, in case of a double integral of positive function f of x comma y, here you can see that we are using two variables x and y. This can be interpreted as the volume under the surface z equal to f of x comma y and over the region D. So we will discuss one example in order to clarify that how I will use the double integrals to find the volume. So here I need to calculate the volume under the surface z, that is equal to 3 plus x square minus 2y over the region D, which is defined by here x is varying from 0 to 1 and y varies from minus x to x. So let's start the solution. So students, here we are given that z is equal to 3 plus x square minus 2y and we are given that x varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from minus x to x. Clear? So now we will find the volume. Volume is equal to double integral over the region D of 3 plus x square minus 2y into dy dx, right? So now our region D is, that is here x varies from 0 to 1 and y varies from minus x to x. So let's put that limit. So firstly I will put the limit of y, as here I have written dy first. So y varies from minus x to x and x varies from 0 to 1, right? Of 3 plus x square minus 2y dy dx. So firstly I will integrate with respect to y. So it becomes equal to x goes from 0 to 1. Here it becomes 3 into y plus x square into y minus 2y square divided by 2 and limit is from minus x to x dx. Clear? Now what you will do is that you will put the upper limit first minus, then you will put the lower limit. So this becomes equal to x is from 0 to 1 bracket start. Now I will put the upper limit. So it becomes 3x plus x square and y is x minus 2 get cancelled and y square will become x square, right? Now I will put the lower limit. So this is 3 into minus x plus x square into minus x minus minus x whole square, right, into dx. Clear? So now I will simplify the terms and it becomes 0 to 1 3x plus x cube, clear, minus x square, put this in bracket, minus 3 into minus x will be equal to minus 3x plus x square into minus x, it becomes minus x cube minus x whole square will become x square into dx. Right? So now I will open the brackets. So it becomes 0 to 1 3x plus x cube minus x square, minus of minus 3x will become plus 3x, minus of minus x cube will become plus x cube, and minus of minus x square will become plus x square whole into dx. So now here you can see that x square get cancelled. So it becomes 0 to 1 3x plus 3x. That will be 6x, x cube plus x cube. That will be twice of x cube into dx. Clear? Now I will integrate this with respect to x. So this becomes 6x square upon 2 plus 2x4 upon 4, and limit goes from 0 to 1. That is equal to, here you can cancel 6 from 2, it becomes 3x square plus, when you will cancel 4 by 2, it becomes 1 upon 2 times x raised to power 4, and limit goes from 0 to 1. Now firstly I will put the upper limit, that is 1. So it becomes 3 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1. Now here you can see that lower limit is 0. When you will put here 0 in place of x, the whole term becomes 0. So minus 0, and when you will simplify, it becomes 3 plus 1 upon 2, and it becomes 7 upon 2. Clear? So this is my answer for the example. So I hope that every step is clear to you. And students, if you want me to discuss more about this concept, then you can visit our website, that is www.solvio.co.in, and thank you so much for connecting with us.